Well, greetings, travel fans. A little look back to August of 2021 and our visit to Tonto Natural Bridge State Park. What makes this site quite significant is there's a geologic fault along here that's created a ridgeline, and at the base of this ridgeline, there's a number of springs that flow water and calcium carbonate, basically limestone, out across Pine Creek and have flooded it and filled it. Like in this particular case over here, it's flooded all the way to the far wall of the valley, just like it was poured full of concrete, except that Pine Creek eventually broke through and carved a quite significant tunnel from the north and the east side out through this west exit, which we will see in the video. What is Travertine? The Wikipedia page does a pretty good job of talking about that. You can read that at your leisure. Let's set the location here on the map. We're going to zoom in. We're north of Phoenix, just a little west of Payson, Arizona, and just south of Pine, Arizona on Arizona Highway 87. This is 87 and the park road. This is the park location. Very much, there's the boundary, approximately the same size as back in the satellite image. 15 August 2021. We are at the Tonto Natural Bridge, overlooked viewpoint number 1. See how it walks up here. I see that there's a viewing location on the other side. Travertine Delta deposit, probably in place to cross the creek bed before it was undermined by the erosion. Oh my, what a tremendous cavern. Wow. Oh, andesitic. And beautiful blue sky today. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's hard to believe that there are streams flowing across the top here. Even all the way out into those trees, there's cattails and ponds. Perched. Ponds and aquifers on top of this Travertine Delta deposit. Wow. Very interesting. Travertine, spring fed and spring formulated. What amazing formation.
I love this place. I can't believe you've never been here.
It's a very surprising tree.
There's that path down there.
Yeah, that's their path down to below.
Yep. Yeah,
some brave souls going out to do the inspection. The Rainbow Bridge.
That's the one that has the big boulders.
We'll pump a shoe.
Yeah.
So you guys are impressed?
Yeah, I am.
Yes. Thank you so much, Rusty.
Yeah, this was quite a surprise.
Cool. I knew you'd like it. I knew it would be good. This place has never disappointed, ever.
What did it say about water being the common thread?
Here we go. Yeah.
Yeah, you get to see the.
We're on the bridge.
You get to see right down below, right through the Travertine arch.
Oh.
Yeah, right down into the depths. See the waterfall cascading away into nothing.
Oh, look.
And you can see the streams here feeding it.
Yep, here's the stream.
Yeah, you would never guess walking out on this that you're hanging your butt out 200 feet above. Yep. You can come up here and camp next to this and be oblivious that you're about to have the world fall out from under you.
Don't want to be sleepwalking up here.
No. That'd be a little dangerous. All right, this goes up the cliff.
Oh, all right.
This was one that came to us. Maybe it goes around.
There's a nice little park over here, though.
Let's see.
A riparian zone. What is this? Oh, the Go-On Trail. 200 feet to the creek bed. Got cattails. That's amazing. So that means that there's sufficient water flowing through this Travertine deposit to keep all the cattails alive. We got cumulonimbus buildup, thunderstorm coming. Oh boy, we got the javelinas. They are acclimatized to folks. Mom with her little one went around the corner. 2 little ones. Run, pig, run. Boy, look at that bristle hair.